Hello and welcome to this video. This is a very quick tip about this little model here. Now for those that don't recognize it, this is the Fat Shark 101 training system. Now you get this little flying shark, you also get some FPV goggles, and you get the radio as well, and it's a fab little trainer system. Actually is running on Betaflight. If you plug a USB cable into here, you can connect it into Betaflight and change the way it works, all kinds of cool stuff. But it's an all-in-one system if you're trying to fly. Now interestingly, it looks like this little monster was actually designed to run and transmit 25 milliwatts of FPV power, but by default, to comply with FCC regulations, it's actually set by default to 5 milliwatts. However, it is actually not too tricky at all to up the power on this little fella to 25 milliwatts if you are in a region where that's okay. The big secret is there are two pads under here. I'm just going to try and show you here on the camera. In fact, let me just do a little insert to actually show you which two pads we're talking about. If you bridge those two pads with solder, then it will start to transmit at not 5 milliwatts but 25 milliwatts, and in lots of places that's actually the legal limit anyway. So I just wanted to make this very quick video just to say that I just kind of found this out. So if you have one of these cool little trainer systems and you're in an area where you can run 25 milliwatts for your FPV, then that is, with a very quick bit of soldering, how you change it. If you found that video useful or like the content, then please hit the like and subscribe button down below. If you want to go the extra step, you can become a Patreon of the Painless 360 channel and help provide support for what I do here. All the videos created here are put into playlists, so if you're interested in a particular topic, have a look at the playlist, and they all are organised in there to make them easier to use. If you're not sure if there's a video for your particular problem or topic you want to know more about, then add Painless 360 to the Google search term that you're interested in, and that should find the video, article or content about the particular thing that you're interested in having a look at.